Welcome back, and in today's tech tip I'll be showing you how to turn off vibrations on your Android phone, and for this tutorial I'll be using a Google Pixel. So go to settings. On the main settings page, go down to sound and vibration, tap on that, and then scroll down to vibration and haptics, tap on that, and then here you can reduce or turn off vibration for specific things. So for instance, if you want to turn off vibration for touch feedback, you can set it all the way to 0. For alarm vibration, you can set it all the way to 0, depending on what you want really. And also you can use this slider to adjust the vibration intensity. If you want to turn it off, you can put the intensity at 0. Anyway, if you want to turn off all vibrations, you can just use the switch at the top there to turn off all vibrations on your Google Pixel. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.